In this video, we'll learn how to set up Truecaller on iPhone. Now, Truecaller identifies unknown phone numbers, showing the name of the person or business calling you. For installing first, go to the Apple App Store and download the Truecaller app. Once the app is installed, if Truecaller shows an error during setup, simply connect a VPN, then set up your profile. Then tap on the profile icon and change or add details that you want or require. After that, open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Then search for the phone app. After opening the phone app, scroll all the way down and tap on Call Blocking and Identification. Then enable all toggles for identification and also turn on Live Caller ID Lookup. Now go back and open Truecaller. We can now check if it's working or not. Tap on the search bar and search for the number whose name you want to know. It will ask you first to purchase premium or go with ads. So you can select as you want. I have selected ads. Now, as you can see, the contact name and other information appear in Truecaller. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks.